In this video, I want to focus on fixing the spamming that we can do to basically rebuild a barricade faster. So for example, barricade's broken, and when I spam F instead of hold, you can see it rebuilds very quick because each press of F essentially is starting an interaction, which is immediately firing off a rebuild. So what we want to do is we want to expose this right here and do a timestamp check pretty much every time we do this initial interaction. So the way we're going to go about doing that is let's go to our barricade.h and let's go expose a U property. And this will be our float repair. Let's do a board interval. And we'll do 1.5. So let's swap this over like so we at least have some control over it. And what I want to do is basically do this as a check. So if, say, our previous interaction timestamp is less than our repair board interval, then I want to go through and just skip this part and wait until the next run. Because the next run, we're either going to repair or we're going to do nothing and abort. So we need to store basically a timestamp as to when this occurred. So let's do a double. Let's call it we'll do the held interaction timestamp, and we'll do just 0 by default. So what we want to do here is pretty much have that's going to be our old timestamp. So let's actually rename it to previous held interaction timestamp. And we need our current time. So in this case, let's actually store it first. So const float, double. This is going to be our time since last interaction. And that's going to be the get world, get time seconds minus our previous held interaction timestamp. And if the time since last interaction is greater than, or in our case, equal to the repair board interval, then we know we are good to go to run our logic. And in this case as well, we want to go ahead and set the previous held interaction timestamp to equal get world, get time seconds. And that should, in theory, take care of us being able to spam. So let's go ahead, close out of the editor, recompile, and relaunch. Okay, once we are back in the editor, let's try to just basically spam it. So we'll first go ahead and spam, and nothing's happening. It's just rebuilding at a normal rate. So next up, let's go ahead and confirm by trying our hold. So we do our hold, and that is also rebuilding. So it seemed like it had a little bit of a delay there on the first one, so I'm a little curious about that. So we hold F. And yeah, so it seems like it's maybe some sort of tolerance kind of issue. So let's see. Let's try A instead of the condition. Let's do a F math. Is there a greater than? There probably is an equals. Yeah, but we don't want that. So let's try the repair. We'll just basically have the repair board interval or get it kind of close. So let's just multiply it by 0.9 and just see if that resolves it. And if it does, we know that that is what is actually causing the problem. Okay, give this another try. So the first one's instant, second one, third one. So that seems to be likely what the issue was. So actually, I want to confirm this. I'll just run an else, log temp, warning, text. Let's just call it skipping rebuild. And if that prints, then we know that, that actually is 100% the case. And we need to figure out some other, I guess, means of solving it. All right, so let's rebuild. Yep, skipping rebuild. And then the remaining seem to be fine. I'll let go. Try it again. Skipping rebuild. So it seems to be that second one is triggering this issue for whatever reason, but the remaining seem like they are completely fine. So we can print out the time since the last interaction, and maybe we just have something kind of weird going on, or maybe it's close to the threshold, but just barely missing it. So we hold F, and there we go. So yeah, it's just barely missing it. So that could be like a, I guess more or less maybe even a precision kind of thing. I'm not 100% sure. But what we can do is make it to where the previous held interaction timestamp, we can honestly just take a little bit of time off each time, but it is, very, very close, so to speak. So let's see, I'm trying to think about how I want to handle it. I kind of think we are better off just subtracting a little bit from the board interval. It's kind of a hacky fix, but it at least we know works. So we'll just take off something small like 0. I don't know, we'll do 0.05. And then we shouldn't get that print anymore. However, I'm going to throw an error at the end of this. So that way, if in the future we do actually, have that come up, then we know something is wrong and we actually need to have another look and resolve it. So let's confirm. No issue. All right. So yeah, so hopefully that is good to go. So I'm going to display this as an error. And let's do check this function on a barricade. And with any luck, this will never appear. But if it does, we at least know where we need to look and where we need to resolve our problem. But I digress. We actually at least have the issue resolved of spamming the mouse, or sorry, spamming the interaction. So let's try it again. Spam it. Nothing happens other than skipping rebuild. And let's hold F now. And holding works accordingly. So we know we're good to go. So the only time that the error would appear, although it's not really an error, so let's, I guess, revert it back to a warning because we technically can reproduce it whenever we want by spamming F. We're pretty much good to go. So with that out of the way, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below where you can get early access to this entire series.